Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to optimize images using Squarespace. So, of course, first of all, you would like to go and open your browser that you're gonna use to follow this tutorial steps with me. So, in my case, I'm using Brave. In your case, of course, you can use other browsers. So, let's just get into the Squarespace. Type it in the URL and hit the enter button. So of course here you would like to go and create your account if it's your first time using the website. So for me, I already did that before. I don't need to do that. I'll just go here and click at my profile here, and it will actually takes me into my dashboard where I have here some testing websites. So let me just show you this. So as you can see here, Squarespace, how to optimize image. So a good rule of thumb is to set banner image to this dimension. So make sure before actually, like, let me just go here, click at a website. Then you would like here to come and click at edit button here. So of course, after clicking at edit button, all you need to do, as we said, just go and click here at add section and click at add blank section. So after doing that, as you can see, you will find this. All you need to do, click at add block, and here you would like to click at image. So here you'll find the square like that. All you need to do, just double click on that, and here you can actually able to add an image. So how you can actually optimize the image on Squarespace is to actually insert an image in this dimension. So, or wait, no, let's not go into this. So, or in this dimension. So of course, between, it should be between 1500, sorry, or 2500 pixels wide. So make sure to be between those to have your image optimized as possible. Then all you need to do, just add this from here and you will be good to go. So that will be actually for the tutorial. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.